Hey everyone, Graham here, and welcome to the W Osaka, a stunning 5-star property where I'm currently enjoying a suite upgrade, late checkout until 4 p.m., and complimentary breakfast for 2. The cash rate for this exact room, over 1,000 USD per night. Instead, a room can be had for just 56,000 Marriott Bonvoy points. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I got those points and this upgrade. You know what's crazy? Just 3 years ago, I had zero hotel loyalty. No status, no strategy, just booking whatever looked good on Google Hotels or Airbnb. Then I discovered something that completely changed how I travel: the Canadian Marriott Bonvoy ecosystem. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, you've done so many videos on Canadian credit cards and airline points. Why should I care about hotel points too? Great question, imaginary viewer. Here's why. While everyone's chasing airline miles, hotel points might actually be easier to earn, easier to use, and deliver more consistent value, especially if you know the strategies I'm about to share. Today, I'm breaking down my complete playbook for maximizing hotel points as a Canadian, including a strategy that got me from zero Marriott history to titanium elite status in less than a year, and how status has unlocked benefits with airlines, hotels, and travel experiences that have completely transformed the way I travel the world. Quick heads up, if you decide the Canadian Marriott Bonvoy Amex card is right for you after watching this, I'd really appreciate if you use my referral link in the description below to apply. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but helps support the channel so I can keep giving you deep dives like this. The Canadian Hotel Points Reality Check. Before we get into strategy, we need to talk about the elephant in the room. If you're Canadian and want to get a hotel co-branded credit card, your options are limited. Actually, limited is generous. You basically only have one major option: the Marriott Bonvoy American Express card. Unlike our frenemies south of the border who can choose between Hilton, Hyatt, IHG, and multiple Marriott cards, we're working with a much smaller toolkit. But here's the beautiful irony. Sometimes having fewer options forces you to get really good at maximizing the one option you do have. And Marriott Bonvoy, once you understand how to work the system, is actually an incredibly powerful program.
Using that.
We're talking about 30 plus hotel brands under one umbrella, over 8,000 properties worldwide, a status program that delivers tangible benefits, points redemption options that range from budget-friendly to absolutely aspirational. So yeah, we might not have the variety our American counterparts have, but we have access to one of the world's largest hotel loyalty programs, and I'm going to show you how to maximize it. My journey from zero to titanium. Let me tell you my personal story because it illustrates exactly what's possible with the right strategy. The starting point. 3 years ago, I had zero hotel loyalty. But then I got the Canadian Amex Platinum card for the points plus the travel perks, and buried in the fine print was this little gem: automatic gold status with Marriott Bonvoy and Hilton honors. I didn't think much of it at first. Cool, I guess. But then something magical happened. The first upgrade. I booked a standard room at a Marriott property on my first trip to Asia. And when I checked in, they upgraded me to an incredible ocean view suite. Just like that. No begging, no sweet talking the front desk agent, just automatic because of my gold status. The room was insane, and when I looked up the cash rate difference, I realized I'd received about $150 a night in value for free. That's when the light bulb went off. This wasn't just about points. This was about status, upgrades, and fundamentally better travel experiences. The Titanium Achievement. Fast forward to today, and I've earned Marriott Bonvoy Titanium Elite status for 2 consecutive years. Titanium is the second highest status tier in the Marriott system, and it requires 75 qualifying nights per year. Most people look at that number and think it's impossible without being a road warrior or having an unlimited travel budget. But here's the secret that changed everything for me. Strategic timing combined with extra credit card nights get you to Titanium status with as little as 30 actual hotel nights per year. I'm going to show you exactly how. The Canadian Marriott Bonvoy Amex card breakdown. Alright, let's talk about the card itself because this is your foundation for everything else. The welcome bonus. Right now, the card offers 60,000 Marriott Bonvoy points after you spend $1,500 on the card in the first 3 months. That's actually a pretty solid bonus. 60,000 points can get you 3 to 4 nights at select properties, think decent airport hotels or leisure destinations, 2 nights at a premium property, nicer city hotels, 1 night at a luxury property, 5-star hotels, or contribute significantly towards a dream redemption at a super high-end luxury property. The annual fee, $120 Canadian annually. Super reasonable, especially compared to premium travel cards. And here's the kicker. The card comes with benefits that easily justify this fee even if you only use it once. The key benefits: 15 Elite Night credits annually. This is huge. Every calendar year, just for holding the card, you get 15 Elite Night credits towards status qualification. This alone gets you to Silver Elite status without staying a single night. Free night award. Every year after your first year card anniversary, you receive a free night certificate valid at properties up to 35,000 points. That alone typically covers your annual fee. 5x points on Marriott stays. Combined with your Elite status bonus, You're earning extra points incredibly fast when staying at Marriott properties. 2x points on everything else. A solid baseline earning rate for everyday spending. The status playbook. 0 to titanium. Here's where it gets really interesting. Let me break down exactly how I went from 0 Marriott history to titanium elite status and how you can do it too. Understanding the status tiers. Marriott has 5 main status tiers. Silver Elite, which is 10 nights, Gold Elite, 25 nights, Platinum Elite, 50 nights, Titanium Elite, 75 nights, and Ambassador Elite, 100 nights plus 23,000 USD in spend. The fast track strategy. Here's the playbook that got me to titanium status in under a year. Step number 1, start with the foundation, 15 nights. Get the Canadian Marriott Bonvoy Amex card, boom, you're instantly at 15 elite nights just for holding the card. That's 15 nights towards platinum or titanium before you've slept in a single Marriott bed. Step 2, the double elite night promotion. This is my secret sauce. Marriott has historically run a double elite nights promotion from mid-February through April for at least the last 2 years. During this promotion, every paid night you stay counts as 2 elite nights. Here's the math that changes everything. If you can strategically plan a 2 to 3 week trip during this promotional period, you will earn 28 to 42 elite nights just from that 14 to 21 actual nights stayed. Combine that with your 15 elite nights from your credit card, you're already at 43 to 57 elite nights. Well on your way to platinum or even titanium. For me personally, I've timed major trips to coincide with this promotion. A 3-week trip to Europe and the Middle East where I based myself in different Marriott properties, a 2-week Asia trip where I stayed at Marriotts in multiple cities, even shorter trips where I specifically chose Marriott properties during the promotion period. Step 3. Fill the gap with regular stays. Throughout the rest of the year, I strategically choose Marriott properties for work trips, weekend getaways, and other travel. These nights count normally, 1 night equals 1 elite night, but they help you reach or maintain status. If you're at 43 nights after the promo and you add another 7 regular nights throughout the year, you've hit 50 nights and platinum status. Add a few more strategic stays and you're at titanium. The alternative, the platinum challenge. Here's another insider strategy that I used at first, the platinum challenge. Marriott offers this status challenge where you can earn instant platinum elite status by completing 16 paid nights within 90 days. You need to contact Marriott support directly to request this challenge. It's not publicly advertised. Here's how it works. 1, you request the challenge through Marriott customer service. 2, you have 90 days to complete 16 paid nights. 3, if you complete it, you keep your platinum status through the end of the current calendar year. Important limitations. You will need to requalify the regular way in future years, and it does require legitimate paid stays. In my first year, I used both the Platinum Challenge and the Double Elite Night promotion simultaneously to get platinum status as soon as possible, while also racking up more and more elite nights to eventually hit the status by hitting 50 cumulative nights over the calendar year. The upgrade reality. What status actually gets you? Okay, so you've earned status. Now what? Let me show you some real examples from my travel over the past 2 years. Gold status upgrades, when I started. Even with just gold status from my Amex Platinum, I was getting meaningful upgrades. Standard room to a junior suite at multiple properties, guaranteed late checkout until 2 p.m., a 25% points earning bonus that adds up way faster than you'd think. I actually tracked all my stays on a spreadsheet. With just gold status and 0 prior history with Marriott, I was receiving room upgrades worth $50 to $200 per night. Platinum and titanium status. When I hit platinum and then titanium, things got dramatically better. Regular suite upgrades at mid-tier properties. At luxury properties, I'm getting upgraded to premium suites that would cost $500 plus more per night. Access to the hotel executive lounges when available. Complimentary breakfast for 2. This alone saves $30 to $60 per person per day. Here at the W Osaka where I'm filming this, I booked a standard room and got upgraded to a beautiful corner suite. The breakfast here alone for one person is worth over 50 Canadian dollars. And when you're traveling with a partner, that's over $100 in breakfast costs saved per day. Over a week-long trip, that's nearly $600 in value just from breakfast. What's important to mention here is that where you are traveling will significantly impact the likelihood of receiving upgrades and true elite treatment. If you mainly travel to the US, do not expect many upgrades or exceptional service. Elite status is so accessible to Americans through credit card benefits and the sheer volume of travelers that you are unlikely to receive amazing treatment or upgrades. The level of treatment is improved when traveling in Europe or Canada. In these instances, I've received great upgrades and treatment, though it does vary by date and destination. Finally, if you're traveling in Asia or the Middle East, get ready for the red carpet to be rolled out. As a Titanium Elite member, I almost always receive a suite upgrade without even having to ask. The crossover benefits, where it gets really interesting. Here's where Marriott Bonvoy status became even more valuable. The crossover benefits to airlines. This is something that most people don't know about, and it's an absolute game changer. Status matching to airlines. With Marriott Titanium Elite status, I was able to obtain free Air Canada Airplan 25K status. This gets me priority check-in and boarding, free checked bags, extra legroom seating, and business class upgrades. As someone who flies Air Canada 4 to 5 times per year, the premium seating alone has been worth hundreds of dollars to me. United Airlines Silver status, which gets you priority check-in and boarding, free checked bags, extra legroom seating, and complimentary upgrades on domestic flights when available. This does include Canada to US flights. The beautiful part, I earned these airline statuses without flying enough to qualify for them organically. My hotel stays with Marriott unlocked airline benefits, creating this virtuous cycle where my hotel loyalty improved my entire travel experience. The points earning and redemption strategy. Let me quickly cover both earning and using your points effectively. Primary earning methods. Number 1, credit card spending. 5x points per dollar at Marriott stays, huge multiplier. 2x points on everything else, a 60,000 point welcome bonus. 2, hotel stays. Base points for your rate, 10 points per dollar spent. Elite status bonus, up to 75% more with Titanium or Ambassador Elite. Credit card bonus, an additional 5x from your card. When you stack all these together, you can easily earn 15 points plus per dollar spent at Marriott properties. 3, promotional periods. Always check the app and register for promotions that say something like stay 3 times, earn 5,000 bonus points. It's free points just for clicking a button. Maximizing redemption value. Here's my philosophy. Focus on aspirational redemptions you'd never pay cash for. My target redemptions, safari lodges like the JW Marriott or Ritz-Carlton Masai Mara, these cost approximately 140 to 180,000 points per night. So a 5-night stay will cost you about 560,000 to 720,000 points. This is with Marriott's Stay 5, Pay 4 benefit. The cash value is between $5,000 and $10,000 plus for a 5-night trip. 2, Maldives Overwater Bungalow. I'm talking about the St. Regis or W Maldives. These are approximately 100 to 150,000 points per night. A 5-night stay would cost between 400,000 and 600,000 points. But the cash value you're looking at between 4,000 and 6,000 USD. Or 3, luxury city properties, like the W Osaka. You're looking at 50,000 to 85,000 points per night, but the cash value is between $600 and $1,000. The Stay 5, Pay 4 rule. When you book 5 consecutive nights with points, you only pay for 4 nights. This is a 20% discount that makes longer stays much more attractive. Always try to book in 5-night increments when possible. The earn and burn philosophy. Don't hoard your points. I mentioned in an earlier video that the JW Masai Mara went from 450,000 points for a 5-night stay to over 700,000 points now. Points devalue over time, so when you have enough for a trip you want to take, book it. The warnings. Before you go all in on this strategy, here are some mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1. Chasing status for status's sake. Don't stay at Marriott properties when they're significantly more expensive or worse quality just to maintain status. Status should enhance your travel, not completely dictate it. 2, hoarding points for too long. Points devalue. Use them for experiences you want now, not someday. Number 3, not registering for promotions. It takes 30 seconds and could mean thousands of bonus points. Always register. 4, booking through third parties. Book direct with Marriott to earn points and elite benefits. Never use Booking.com or Expedia if you want status recognition. If you're ready to start, I've got a referral link for the Marriott Bonvoy Amex card in the description below. And if you want deeper dives into hotel strategies and promotions, check out my Jetsetter premium newsletter. Thanks for watching from the W Osaka, and remember, status and points are just tools. The real value is the experiences they unlock. Now go forth and earn some hotel points responsibly. See you in the next video.